I'm going to be showing you how to reset Safari on your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to reset Safari on your iPhone, you just need to open your settings app first. Just go to your app library and type in settings. You can find it right at the top. After you're here, you just need to look at the top option that says search. Just go there and type in Safari. And once you see Safari, you just need to tap there. And you would be in this page. So after you're in this page, you just need to scroll all the way down till you find clear history and website data, which is right below export. So just go ahead and tap there. So make sure you choose all history where it says clear time frame, and also choose all profile, tap on close all tabs. And now all you need to do is tap on clear history. Right after you tap there, you would automatically delete all of your history prior to this day, and you would successfully be able to reset Safari in your iPhone. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.